One of the biggest issues that is affecting our economy today, especially if you live in Nigeria and other African countries, is the issue of inflation on our currencies. And that's why it's good for you to understand how to save your money in a system that helps you to grow your investment. And that's why in today's video, we're going to talk about 3 apps that you can use to save your money digitally and still earn from it. These 3 apps I'm talking about, I use them and they are very, very effective. Now, the importance of this is that it helps you not just to save money, but it helps you keep your money protected from inflation that happens whenever you save money in your local bank account. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is our Imam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So if you're ready to learn with me, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I share more videos, you are going to be notified that I have shared a video. So having said that, let's just go straight into the video. Let me show you these 3 apps that will help you save your money and earn from it. All right, so my number one on my list is Geegpay. All right, Geegpay. Look at Geegpay here on my phone. Here you can see it here. How you can get this app is just to go to the link in the description. I will drop links to how you can sign up on this app. All right, now Geegpay is a very good app for you if you are a freelancer that works with foreigners and you want to receive your funds, or maybe you want to pay for stuffs online and it involves dollars. All right, the beauty about this is that you can send funds and receive funds in different foreign currencies, and that helps you actually to make your work easier. All right, so imagine you want to do a job for a foreign client and you're a freelancer and they want to pay you in different currencies. You can actually set up a Geegpay account and set up a dollar virtual account. All right, and even have a dollar card. So it helps you. So instead of trying to transfer money or receive money with your local bank account, Geegpay actually helps you to do all of that, especially if you have gone through the verification process successfully. This is very important. The verification process is very, very important. So how do you get Geegpay into your phone? You go to the link in the description and check for the link to sign up. Okay, but right now I'm going to open the app for you to see what the app looks like. So this is the app here. We'll just click on it, and once I click on it, it's going to bring up a form for me. All right, it's going to bring up a form for me. So here I'm going to insert my password. And then I'm going to just log in. All right, so this is what the dashboard looks like. This is what my dashboard looks like. As you can see, I've been doing some transactions here, and the transactions are smooth and easy once you've done your verification correctly. That's why I'm saying you should ensure that after signing up using the link in my description, make sure that you do your verification properly, because you cannot use this app if you do not go through the verification process successfully. All right, you have to go through the verification process successfully to be onboarded, to be able to use this app properly. So you can see what the app is all about. If you come here, you're going to see my dollar card. This is the dollar card that we use to send and receive funds when we want to make transactions internationally. All right, if you come here now, you see the invoice. If you come here, you see my accounts and everything. You can see you can own a US dollar account here, you can own a naira account here. And another beautiful side of this is that you can earn money up to $150 on this app. So that means that it's not just about saving, sending and receiving money. You can also earn on this app. Now, how do you save money on this app? You save money on this app when you use the add funds option. All right, I won't go deep into that because this is not talking about just Geegpay. We are still going to talk about other apps. All right, but if you want to learn more about how to use this, just first of all you need to sign up, and then when you sign up, you go through all the process, and then you are going to see all the options available for you. But this app works very well. All right, so if you have questions for me as regards that, just go to the comment section and drop it for me. That is for Geegpay. Make sure that if you want to use this app, make sure that you sign up through my link in the description to make your process easier, and make sure to go through the verification stage. Otherwise, you may not be able to use this app successfully. So that's my number one. Now, number two on my list is Clever. You can see Clever here. Clever also works just the same way Geegpay works. All right. If you go to Clever right now, I'll be asked to log in, and I'm not sure if I can remember my password right now, but Clever also works just like Geegpay. If you want to have a Clever account, just go to the link in the description, check for the link. All right. When you check for the link, you click it, it will take you to a form where you need to fill up everything and go through the sign up stage. Also, you might be asked to do your verification. So follow all the process correctly to do your verification, because these guys are very, very serious about their customers. When you do your verification properly, it will involve your KYC. KYC means know your customer. So they will ask you to submit some details of your some of your personal details. Very, very important. They are legit. So follow through all those things, and then you will be onboarded to use the app. All right. The next one is PIGGYVEST. Okay, the next one is PIGGYVEST. So this is PIGGYVEST here. So this is PIGGYVEST here. Let's just wait for it, and we insert the code, and then if this gives us an issue, we might have to, okay, let's just do it again. Good. So PIGGYVEST has just opened. So this is another app that you can actually use to save your money. As you can see, you have your safe lock where you can lock the money. You have Flex Dollar, you have Flex Naira, you have Piggy Bank. All right, here, if you want to use this app here, you can come here and hit the plus button to save your money. So if you want to save now, you can come here and hit the plus button, and it will give you options to insert how much you want to save. So once you insert that and you click quick save, it will give you an option to transfer the money from your bank account onto this app. All right, this app is very legit. It has been working, it is still working. If you want to learn more about how to use this app, just make sure to use the link in my description to sign up, and drop a comment for me in the comment section. Now remember, I said that you will be asked to do a verification. All right, so make sure that you follow through all the process of verifying properly so that you can be given the opportunity to use this app. All right, so just in case, before I go, you can also do investment on this app. As you can see, these are investment. You can see sold out. These are investments. You can see there are different investments here. If you want to check more of the investment that are available, what you need to do is to come to this place that says invest. Once you click on it, it will open different investment opportunities for you. So these are three apps that you can use to save your money and still invest online. Very legit app. I believe that you have learned something from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the subscribe button and make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to share this video so that your friends can see. All right, that is all I will be doing in this video. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.